Kalimantan dan Sumatera akhirnya dibasah.
Malaysia yang didakwa sebagai punca kebakaran hutan sehingga mengakibatkan keadaan berjerebu di rantau ini.
Worse than what you have in North America or Western Europe. Pollution is now a bigger killer than malaria and road accidents. It's as bad as smoking.
Based on your observation for the video that you have seen earlier just now, what would you guys think about that video? Is that video making you worried or panic? Hence, I would like to introduce an organization that is called WWF.
Hi, I am Farzana and I'm one of the community for the organization that is called WWF. And as one of the community itself, I feel the need and I feel I have the responsibility to introduce the organization to you guys to make yourself familiar about this organization. So, without further ado, let's get started.
WWF stands for Worldwide Fund for Nature. It was formerly known as the World Wildlife Fund but adopted its current name to show that it also works on other environmental issues and not just wildlife. Basically, WWF Malaysia's early work focused on scientific research of wildlife and important natural habitats. This later expanded to the management of protected areas. Today, our work covers the broader issues of the natural environment, incorporating such as aspects as policy work, environmental, education, public awareness, and campaign. So, as you all know, before coronavirus happened, we had been faced by haze during September last year. The haze is largely caused by illegal agricultural fires due to industrial scale slash and burn practice in Indonesia. It is worst between July and October and caused adverse health and economic impact on Brunei Darussalam, in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and to a lesser degree, the Philippines and Thailand.
So in conjunction of that, we as a community of WWF, we spread awareness through our official IG and website, and hopefully that each one of you would take note about what happened in our country and how can we lessen the degree of the error itself. So if you want to know more and if you are really interested to participate in our organization, to be part of our community, just click on our website, our official website, which is this, and our official IG, and yeah.
So that's the end of it, and I would like to say thank you to each one of you who keeps watching this video until the end. So yeah, bye bye, see you next time.